Just a moment. Here I am touching that option.
Sudhir, go to home page. First, go to home page, then you will get resources option. Not here. First, open learning center.
Learning center. Okay.
Go to home page, main home page, learning center home page. Save the things, Sudhir. Don't write each and every time. You can see resources tab. No, not this. No. 1 minute, not this one. Go to home page. Just click there. What you have?
Here it will get top.
Yes. Top you will get. First of all, scroll down. Actually, you need to once log out this all old one learning center, Sudhir. Log out. First of all, log out that learning center. No, not workspace.
This is Anaplan. This is learning center.
Okay, learning center. Close learning center. Whatever the learning center you have, close all the learning centers. Yes,
Can I log
close.
out, please?
Yes, log out.
I think it is in community also. Click this Anapedia. Scroll button. Yeah, there is an arrow is there. Single arrow chevron.
Where, which side? Left side or right side?
Left side. Anapedia you have, right? Mentioned in the left hand corner. There is an arrow, right? There is a here.
Not here. You scroll down once, Sudhir. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. So this is a not best way. Open fresh learning center. Don't, others will get confused. Open new learning center. Close all those things. Yes. Everyone should get the thing. So otherwise, what happened? No one will check that one. That is a very most important feature. Each and every interviewer asking this question. Whenever if you open, you can see here directly. You can see resources tab.
Yeah.
Top only. Why you are getting that much struggle? So you can see product news and releases. That's it.
Yeah. Previously it is not open.
Yeah, already you have logged. That is the reason it is showing somewhere. It is going directly to somewhere. Whenever if you open new one, then only you will get that one.
Okay.
The tab. So anyway, try to discuss the things what you have prepared.
Here we can see the April 24 month release. Like this, we have to go this every component. Suppose in planning and modeling means what are the updates we have like this. Pre-order modules in the new model view. There is a update related to module. Building of the building of the beta version of the new model. Moda builders will able to pre-order the modules in the module to better organize their models. This includes the ability to update the ordering with keyboard shortcuts. Pre-order modules.
This reordering can be done now also, I think, of the modules. We have an option, right, in the workspace.
Yeah, reordering we had, but what is this change we have to understand.
Is only one thing is there. There is one he mentioned as a keyboard shortcuts.
Yeah, yeah.
I think that is
It needs
we cannot do it by.
adding keyboard shortcut that we will see. So before interview, if you go through this, no, we'll just have an idea and we'll just make a few points like this. We have this upgrades for this month like that. We can make a note and we can inform the interviewer. At least he will be satisfied. Like we are observing updates and all like that. One more thing like user experience. We'll see this column width setting overrides. Column width settings override. Currently, page builders can set custom column with widths for all columns in a grid and table using the right hand panel. Page builders will be able to set a column width and then override width for specific line items, listed time summaries for better control of how their grids and table look.
So,
Column with setting overrides. This we have to see. Role-based landing pages. Page builders can define a fixed landing page for users. This question today they asked in an interview for me.
Yes, Sudhir. This question they asked, I told, like on the
Yeah,
base
yeah.
of roles also we can. This is a new future. That is the reason everyone asking.
Okay.
Okay, na? So each and every user wise also you can see fixed landing page for the user dependent on their model role, helping user access to the content they need to more quickly and streamlining the navigation. So whatever they need, that only they can see. They don't see other line items whichever they not belongs to them.
as a landing pages, right? Absolutely. When they open it.
Yes, landing page is nothing but like we can see like role based landing pages. So we keep all pages at one place, and after that, if you click on one UX page, it goes to that UX page. If you click on that link,
Page builders can define a fixed land page for users, dependent dependent on their model role, helping users access the content they need more quickly and streamlining navigation. So, what is this exact meaning, sir? How can we understand this?
on the base of access, they can on the base of user access they will get the different UX pages.
Okay. One more update is audit. New audit events for comments. You will be able to track and retrieve audit events for comments being added, deleted, and exports. Where this option is available, sir? Audit one. You'll be able to track and retrieve audit events for comments being added, deleted, exports.
In UX pages only you can add it. So we also didn't use this functionality. Just now it released
Okay.
it. We need to check where it is. Okay, how we can use, we need to check. So we need to remember these changes are releasing.
Okay.
Recently we
Okay.
need to check it.
Yeah, everyone, before attending the interview, you have to just make a note or we have to remember these things. So 2024, these are the latest updates. These are the. We have to just keep in mind. Today they asked this question, role-based landing pages for me today. Just at least whatever we are remembering, it will be good. This is related to April. We will see March. What is there? March cascades like management report. This updates this updates allows you to quickly and easily create multiple linked slides based off a single or multiple slide dimension. These slides are then created as linked slides based on the slide source. When the source slide is updated, any changes are also reflected in every linked slide. They are providing some link for video, I think we'll see.
Like in the right hand side, in the right hand side of any any month update, there is on the right hand side we can see that planning and modeling, user experience on it, which are the updates are available. We can see on the right side.
Where?
In the If you open uh, this product and news every month,
Okay.
you're checking March month, right? If you
Yeah.
check in the March month on the right hand side, they give the what are the updates they have related to
Yes.
they
Yes.
have
Yes.
released. So
Yeah.
that also,
Here no. These three.
yes.
Oh yeah. This is related to April.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. No problem. They are giving in detail this left hand side.
Mm.
Now we are seeing this March one. No? We'll just see what is this.
Done. You're done with the interview, Sudhir?
Yeah. Yeah.
How was the interview?
Good. Good.
Good, was okay.
Sudhir, we are not getting voice. You need to include sound.
No. Here sound is full, sir.
Yes,
Sound is full already. Sound is full.
not like that. Whenever you are sharing your screen, you need
Okay.
to include sound. Once turn off your screen while sharing, turn
Okay.
off share now. It asks, it give one radio button, include sound. You add it.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
Now you play.
Okay.
You also still have a source slide where you can change the data.
Is it audible?
It might be that
Yes, yes,
Yes, yes,
audio.
yes.
this,
From starting
yeah,
onwards, you can give.
Yeah.
this short video talks about the cascade slide features within management reporting within Anaplan. So here you can see standard P&L report, which is broken down by region, product, and time period. So you can cycle through the different regions, to see the different data, or you can cycle through the different products or time period. And then you can export any of these selected items out to PDF. If you wanted to create multiple versions of this slide, however, for the different regions, you can now do that using Cascade Slides functionality. So within Add Slides, we want to add what we call link slides, and then we select the dimensions that we want to break these slides down by. So in this case, we're going to break down multiple versions of the slide based on the country. So we're going to create one for the UK, one for France, and finally one for Germany. And then we can call those slides the relevant name that we've broken them down by. And then apply that, and we can see we've created 3 versions of each slide, the data fixed to that particular location. So here we have UK, here we have France, and here we have Germany. So we can now publish this and export those out to the PDF file. We also still have our source slide where you can change the data. It might be that when you publish, you don't want to show the slide because it has the drop down, so you can actually choose to hide that slide when you do publish it. So that will then have that slide hidden when you publish the report. As this is a source slide, you can also modify the layout or add new charts. So if I wanted to, for example, change the layout to have my chart on the right and my text on the left, I can make that change, and then that will be then reflected in all the link charts, link slides rather, I have created. So you can see in preview mode, I have the new layout by changing my source slide, and then I've also hidden that original source slide. So there's a brief demo of how Cascade Slides works for the management reporting within Anaplan. Thank you for listening.
Yeah, this way we can watch. This one is a third page. No, normally we can able to see workspace, work sheet and board. User experience is this real time one, right? Third, you can see. This is also important. Geomapping. They ask in interview. We can just have a look. Here we have a video for 30 minutes. Today they ask geomapping. In every interview, they are asking what are the new updates like that.
Yes, everyone prepare notes on this each and every update. Is it clear? Files?
Oh,
Is it clear?
yes, sir.
So, so that easily you can remember, right? Others also can go through all those changes if you prepare proper notes. So it will get benefit for everyone. So anyway, these are the questions they are asking. So very repeatedly. So we should be aware of each and everything. So many ways they are asking questions. So we should be ready for each and every question. And performance optimization and size optimization, sparsity. These are these questions as well. Each and every interview they are asking. And ALM process as well. Why we are using ALM process? What is the ALM process? So these also very repeatedly they are using. Is it clear?
Yes, yes, sir.
So we should be ready for it. Be ready for it. So it will be helpful for us. So we'll start our level 2 remaining activities. So where we have, so did you watch that video? Did you watch that video whatever I have shared? Yes. How many activities did you complete, Sudhir, in level 2?
Level 2 user story 4 is pending, sir.
User at you are there at just user story number 4 only.
Yes, sir.
So try to complete as soon as possible. Why you are doing delay? So if you sit one day, you should complete all the user stories. Are you doing very slowly?
Yeah, sir. Parallelly preparing for interview, so that is the reason
Okay,
I.
okay, but okay, fine. But you should complete level 2. That is a very important one. So important
Yes, sir.
activities. So sprint already we are in the middle of sprint 2 as well. So if we complete this module, so almost only we have 2-3 activities other than this module. This is a very lengthy module we are doing from last 4 days. Once
Okay,
we
sir.
complete this one, nothing will be there. Everything will be get complete. You can see supply chain start model. So in supply chain model, we are there in middle of like almost only few line items we need to create in this inventory ordering module. So we can see here. So far we have completed this one: override suggested order amount and override amount final shipment. So we have completed this, we have created these 3 line items. And then we need to here change from this one, like we have completed this formulas also we have completed. So we need to create here, even we have changed this instead of suggested order amount line item in confirm purchase order receipt, we have put final shipment amount also we have put. So we can see here, next thing we need to add these 4 line items. How many line items they have given? So we need to add these 4 line items. We can see here overhead shipping method. So we need to add these line items. So we have seen override amount. If we need to change any amount for that one, how we need to do that we have seen. So override suggested order amount we have seen. So thing is like we need to, if we want to do any override for the shipping method, if you don't want to do like we have emergency, so we don't want to send our products by road or rail, we need to send by air due to some emergency. In that scenario, what should we do? That is our use case here. Like you can see, we need to create override shipping method. Whatever the basic override is there, if you don't follow that override method, if you need any emergency, if you need to send that product by air or some way something, so which is not default one, so in that scenario how we should override and how we need to give override shipping method, and what is the our final what will be our final shipping method, and you can see what will be our final shipping method, and how much time it takes for the that shipping method. Final shipping time, weeks, you can see here. So these are the 4 line items we need to create here, and we need to write formulas for these 4 line items. So if you want to do override, so this is a major concept here. So for any question mark, if you have any line item for that one, which will what is the format for that line item? Yes, so boolean format we should take. Yes, exactly. So override shipping method boolean we should take. So what is the format for other line items? So override method is list shipping method, and we can see here list shipping methods. For this one we should take the list shipping methods we should take. Override method and format we should take list and shipping method. Already you can see here this format is a shipping method only. So we can check this one, list and shipping method, correct one. So you can copy paste this method to here. Yes, we have taken this one, this is a number. So do we need we need to check formulas, how we need to write for this 4 line item, formula hints what they have given. So you can see, so to override shipping method and override method, so line items will be used for the input by the end user, and they do not need any formulas. So clearly there is no need to write any formula for this boolean formatted line item. Means simply they will, whenever they want to do override, they want to change any shipping method. This is the default shipping method is a road. If they want send this product new job or by the some rail or ship or something, air, so they want to, if they want to change any shipping method, so other than default one, so in that scenario they will select this one and they will select here. So this is the way approach they will select. So for this one there is no need to give any formulas. So this is a basic thing. So for other 2 line items, final shipping method, how we can take the final shipping method. So this is the our target. So the majority of time end user will not be the override the shipping method. So most of the time they will not do override. So restocking orders and will use standard shipping method for the basically product SKU and distribution center. The shipping method line item will only contain data when PO has been submitted. Otherwise the line item will be blank. So use the isBlank function. We should use the isBlank function here. So whenever if you, we should use the isBlank function, and the if then function will use in this formula. We'll have 2 conditions. The result shipping line item value, use R function to the connect to the condition. Start formula if not override shipping method or isBlank override method. So these 2 we should use. So what is the, how we need to start if not override shipping method? Generally we don't do override. So that is the reason what we are saying if not override shipping method, or is blank override method. In that scenario, if don't do override, which one we should get? If you don't do override, default shipping method we should get. Is it correct or not? Yes. If don't do override, which one we should get? Which shipping method we should do? We should take if don't do override?
Default shipping method.
Default shipping method we should take. If you do override, then in that scenario what will you do?
It will be override with the amount which you want.
Override shipping, not amount. Override method will take.
Method, yes.
That's it. So nothing is logic we have. So we can see what are the modules involving here. So for the final shipping method, so we have final shipping method here. So You can see here we have final shipping method. So if it is not override shipping method or is blank override method, then normal shipping method we should take default, otherwise override. Do we have any logic here? Nothing is there, simple one. So we should take, so very easily you can create this formula, so we should not bother about much. So you can see they are given already this one. If not override shipping method, you should write final shipping method here. So how we need to take final shipping method means, you need to write like this: if not override function, not override shipping method. If not override shipping method, ORR is blank. Which one is blank? Is blank override shipping method. Then what should we want? Then which method we should take whenever it is a override? If you don't do override method, and or if it is blank, in that scenario which one we should get? Which shipping method we should take for
Default.
final shipping method? Default shipping method. You can see where is our shipping method we should take. Else, otherwise, if you do override, if you given something, then which one we should take? Override method we should take. Simple. So just you can see how it works. So you can see here. So if I done override, you can see here override shipping method, I have given error. So that is the reason I am getting error here. I didn't done anything here. I didn't select override here. So you can see here you are getting road. Why? It is basic shipping method it taking. It takes basic shipping method. If I select here, what happened? So you can see still you have road. Why? Means two conditions should satisfy. Even it is blank also, you can see it is blank. In our formula what we have given, if not override shipping method or is blank, in both of condition, if any one is false, then simply it will false. So it goes for the else condition. Override method, it will goes for the default shipping method only. You can see shipping method only it will take. If both if both are the true, then only what happened? It goes for the, if both are the false, then it directly goes to the, or if both are true, then only it goes to the override method. You can see if I select anything here instead of, so air, I can see here hair. So if I deselect this one, so what happened? If I deselect, I have given this one, but do I get value this one? Do I get? Yes. Only I can see the road only. Override shipping method I can't see. What I am giving condition? If not override or is blank override method. So if it is both the condition, we are taking as like whenever if these two are false, then only we should get the true here. So if they both are true, then only you should get true. Like here, we have true here, we have given something here. Then only we are getting here. In this way, it should work. So this is the way how it does it work. So we should understand here. So how these formulas are working. If not override shipping method, ORR is blank override method, then it should goes for the default shipping method. Otherwise, it should take the override. Is it clear for everyone how it does work? How does it work? This formula. How
One
the
minute, Asubhai here.
yes. Yes.
Asubhai here, if we override this shipping method, then definitely we are going to override by either rail, whatever the methods we have, shipping methods, we will select any one override method if we
Yes.
check mark it.
Yes, yes. If you say check mark it, you will get it. Error.
Yeah, if we check mark, then definitely we will select any one of the override methods. That is the reason why we are overriding it. I
Yes.
mean, we are check marking it.
Yes, yes.
Then what is the reason behind writing this formula as is blank actually? Without writing is blank, we can write directly also, right? If not override shipping method, uh, like that we can write also.
If you what you say, give me. I will write according to your formula. What is your opinion? Without is blank, what should I write?
Uh, just to remove that R is blank override method actually. Remaining else is same.
Okay, you want to remove this one. Okay, if I write like this, you can see here what happened. You can, if you get any doubt, you can implement. Nothing will happen. We should check if you get any doubt. Then only our doubt will get clear. So if you do this one, what happened? Your doubt, is it correct?
Yes, Ashwin.
So you can see here. So whenever I select here, you didn't get this one. So I, what is your doubt? What is your, what happened? So you can see here, if I selected here, I want to select something. So here I will select. So here I am getting. So if I remove anything, rail, if I write rail, I will get. So what happened? For example, if it is blank, it we are checking it is blank or it should be true. So we are giving these two conditions. In this scenario, what I write? So according to you, if I don't write that one, so what happened? You can see this one. If I remove, I don't do, this is a not override one. You can see. So what happened? What happening? Files here. If I don't select this one, so this is the first condition. If I selected, so if I selected here, so then I am getting road here. So you are not getting anything here. Here what happening? Are you able to see files? Whenever if you override, so then you want to give any override method or not? Do you want to give?
Yes, Ashwin.
Which method you want to give? You want to give rail. So what is your doubt here?
Uh, uh, this is what Ashwin. In week 4, you just given the check mark, right?
Mm.
If we give the check mark, like we want to override the shipping method.
Yes, exactly.
If we check mark that we want to override the shipping method, then definitely we will give this any one kind of override methods. We have three options: air, rail, road, right?
Yes, yes.
We will give any one of them. Then directly we will get the final shipping method. Then I mean what my point is, why do we keep that override method as blank? Whenever we are keeping it blank, we have to put it in the formula. When we are not putting any blank in the override method, then no use of writing that formula, right? That is my point, Ashwin.
So give me a minute. Why we are writing that formula means. So for example, if you have blank, if it is you are selecting, it should be true. So you are doing override, and if you are giving override method, so that override method should be here. So this is the way. Why means we should not keep blank this one files. If I write anything here, we should not keep blank here. So that is the reason we are writing that one. We should give some condition. So that is the purpose we are writing. If I don't write anything, do I get anything here? Yes,
Yeah,
files.
Asibai, this whatever the like override method is there, all of them we have to keep some for emergency purpose. We keep
Yes.
air on there, and
Yes.
sometime if we want for some emergency, we click we check mark that box so that it will turn into air to
Yes.
send the shipment. For that reason, we are keeping that check mark boolean, right?
Yes, we are check
Uh,
marking. Yes,
mm,
exactly. So we should both should be true files. You can see here why we are writing means If I don't write this one, what you got here? Do I
We
got
don't
any?
get
Yes.
no
Do
no
I got anything?
no.
So that is the reason we should, whenever if you want to do override, we should select this one. Then only you will get final whatever the shipping method is there. We should get here. If you don't write anything, you will not get shipping method. So that is the reason. Whenever if you enable this one, we should select something. Then only you will get the final shipping method. No, both of the things should not be in both this override shipping method and override method. Both should be true here. True means it should not belong here, and it should be give some value. Then only you will get the final shipping method. That is the reason we are writing.
And Asibe, this override method, all the columns are not filled. So what whenever we required, we can change accordingly, right?
Yes,
And
whenever you
we
require, then only we do override. Why we do each and
override.
every time?
Right.
We don't do each and every time. So both should be true. Both should be, we should given for the both of this should be true, then only we should get the override method. So that is our condition. If anyone is false, so it should not work. That is the reason we are writing. So it is override, not override, or like is blank. So both should be true, then only we should get the override method. So that is our purpose. Otherwise nothing will be there. So it doesn't matter what happening. So we should, both should be true, then only we'll get the final shipping method. So you can see, if you don't select, you can't see road here. If I remove this one, I could see here road. Basic default shipping method whatever we have, that only we can see here. So in this way we can understand whenever we required shipping method, which shipping method we need to change, and we should select, and we should provide the selection. So this is our basic thing you can see. So next we have final shipping method here. So in final shipping method, what happened? How much does it take? The formula of the line item is similar to shipping time in weeks line item, except it should reference the final shipping method. So whatever the shipping time is there, so that is the whole thing is same. Also, if other line items are using calculation based on number of weeks between the order of delivery, they would need updated to reference this line item. Shipping method is overridden, see below. So you can see nothing is there, whatever we have. What is the shipping time in weeks? We have formula. Yes. So what is the shipping method we have here? So this is the shipping time in weeks, you can see here. So shipping time we should take from here, transportation 01 module, this is our source. We should take each and everything, but instead of this shipping method, final shipping method we should take. We can see here. So only the thing is final shipping method we should reference. Instead of normal shipping method, we should take the final shipping method. Where we have this value, shipping method details, shipping final shipping time in weeks. Where we have this detail, transportation 01. Go to transportation 01 module, and we have shipping time in weeks. We have here. You can see shipping time in weeks. Open bracket, and where we have what is our mapping module here. Yes. What is our mapping module? Do we have source and target same here? We don't have source and target same. So that is the reason where we have mapping. In system 08 we have. So what is the system 08? In system 08, which one we should take? On the base of which one, what is our source and what is our target? You can see what is our source? Transportation 01. What is our target? Here you can see inventory 01 is our target. We are pulling data from parent to child. So where we have P2 and P3 relation? System 08. So system 08 we have P2 and P3 relation. So you can see in mapping what is our lookup condition. In mapping what should we do? System 08 product wise. And other, what is other dimension? What is the other problematic dimension you have to pulling data from source to target? Shipping method you have. Is it correct? What is the dimension? Other dimension, I am pulling data from transportation 02 to inventory 01 module. So what is my first problematic dimension? P2 products and P3 parent to child I am pulling. Lookup I am using. So what is the where I have relationship between the P2 products and P3 SKU? Where do I have relation? Yes. Are you there? Where do you have relation between the P2 products and P3 SKU? I opened this system 08 and I have given here, this is a P3 dimension I am using here. You can see here P3 dimension I am using and P2 product line item I am taking. Products. Do I have relationship between the P3 SKU and P2 products in system 08 or not?
Yes.
So why you are already I have written here system 08 product lookup, then why you are getting confusing again? Did you remember that sum and lookup 4 conditions or not? What are the conditions? Whenever if we don't have same dimension, in that scenario how we should map from source to target? Are you remember everyone? Yes.
Yes, sir, Shivu.
So the why I am taking, are you getting or not here? Yes. Why I am taking this one? This dimension? Why I am writing this one? Are you getting or not?
Yes, sir. Because there is a relationship between them, na? So that's why you
This,
take.
so that is a source. You can see this is a, I am showing very clearly. This is my source. This is my target. So what are the problematic dimensions I have? P2 product, parent to child I am pulling. Parent to child if I pull, so we need to use lookup. Then what is my, where I have P2 and P3 relation means, here you have a system 08. How you can see this is a P3 dimension I am using and P2 as a line item I am using. So that is the reason I can say we have relationship between the P3 SKU and P2 product. That is the reason I have taken. What is the other problematic dimension for me? Shipping method is a problematic dimension. So that is the reason. Hello. Send message as a rejoin in our group. So no one is joining. What happening here? Where are others? Where is our Sudhir? So what is our other problematic dimension? Are you able to see my screen? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So shipping method here. So I need mapping. So I have already in here only I have that shipping method. So that is the reason simply I am taking shipping method here. Instead of normal shipping method, I should take the final shipping method. So that is the solution. You can see here. So you will get, if you select air, final shipping time you can see 1 week only. If I remove this one, I will get 2 weeks. If I send my products through air, it takes 2 weeks. So in this way we will get. So what is source and what is target, we need to understand. So then we'll get proper answer. So here what, update other line items. After we have completed this one, we need to update other line items as well here. So what are other line items, you can see here. So after final shipping, confirm PO delivery and confirm purchase order receipt. So here what should we do, redirect formulas this line item currently referring the shipping time weeks. So final shipping time we should take confirm PO delivery and confirm purchase order receipt for both line items. So that is we need to take confirm PO delivery. Here also you have shipping time in weeks. So we should take here final shipping time. Simply we should remove this one. Final shipping time we should take. Why means, so if you override anything, you can't find proper value if you keep normal shipping time. So this is for the default shipping time. So if you don't do override, you can understand. So for normal shipping time you will get, you have here shipping time in weeks. But whenever if you do override, in that scenario you should, it will get the updated value here in final shipping times. So for confirm PO delivery and confirm PO order receipt also we should take here. So here also we need to confirm purchase order receipt as well. We need to check, change the formula. Here also we need to final shipping time in weeks. We should change. We'll get updated time. We'll get. If you change, you can see here. If I do this one, we'll get updated one. So in this way you can see here. So if I select this one, what happened? So the product whatever we receive, so it takes only within 1 week, you can see. So if I select here, you can see only 1 week, within 1 week only I am receiving the product. You can see here. If I remove this one, you can't see, you are reaching in 2nd week, 3rd week. So in this way it affects. So whenever if you select like air method, if you select within 1 week, the product will reach. So in this way what happened, simply if you do override, that will affect the confirm purchase order receipt and PO delivery, everywhere it will reflect. So that is the reason we'll need to change each and everywhere final shipping time weeks we should take. So this way we need to check. And so you can see we need to, does everyone is joined or not? How many members are joined? Only 3 members are there. Where are others here? Sudhir and other guys? Yes. Where are other guys? So
I
anyway,
sent the message in the group to rejoin yesterday.
Okay, fine. Then we can wrap up our session. So tomorrow we'll continue this other line items, and only 4 line items we have. If we complete this module, will get complete. So we can go for the other activities. How does it work and each and everything we can check. After inventory order model, we need to test the formulas and add DCA. We need to do all these things tomorrow. So then we'll get. So only few activities we have after completing this module. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow we can wrap up these activities. So not a problem. So anyway.